The Epson SureColor P900 comes with a set of 10 starter ink cartridges. They are installed in a front bay, accessed by a door which lifts up. Each tank fits into a specific position. You will hear a click when the cartridge is seated. The cartridge design prevents you from installing them into the wrong position. When the inks are installed, follow the prompts on the printer's control panel. The printer begins the initialization process, which draws ink from the cartridges via hoses to the print head. The process can take up to 15 minutes. Upon completion, the printer's control panel shows the Load Paper notice, and now you're ready to print. Your cartridges will show about 33% full, which is plenty to begin printing on your favorite Red River Paper brand photo and art papers.